YouTube, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Hope y'all doing all right. Everything going good in y'all life. If it ain't, y'all get through it, man. Just stay strong. So today, another trip to the muffler shop. The other day I noticed when I was driving my old school, it was sounding like a truck. So, show y'all what happened. One of my hangers broke. And y'all know I just went to the muffler shop about 2 weeks ago. And they welded my exhaust and they fixed the hanger. So let me show y'all that. I'm gonna zoom in. Y'all can see that's where they welded at, and that's where it broke. So it got a hole in my exhaust now. That's why it sounds like a truck. I was wondering, I'm like, man, my car sounds like a truck now. What the hell going on? I wasn't getting like my power. Well, I know it ain't fast, but I know my car. I know what it's supposed to do. And that bit wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. So I knew I had an exhaust leak or something. And I figured that out yesterday. So I'm finna head there in a few. This is a cold start. Let the car warm up in the driveway a few minutes. Then head over there. So I'm gonna show y'all walk around, see if y'all can hear the difference. Really hear it in the rails. Hope y'all can hear the difference on camera, but I can. That's the problem. Pretty cool out here this morning. Oh, 32. Need to give me another wing nut for that. Y'all stay tuned, I'll cut y'all on. I'm heading to the shop. YouTube, car been warming. 5-10 minutes. Dang up the tip. We finna head out. Need to get my speed charger. Hold on. YouTube back heading out. Oh, that bitch sound like a truck, y'all. I really don't like this sound. I can't wait till this shit get fixed. Your own, I get to the main road. Stay tuned. Y'all, this bitch sound horrible. Hope y'all can hear the exhaust good. It really sound like a truck. I really don't like it. like 10-15 minutes out from the muffler shop. So I'll tap back in. YouTube better be pulling up. Like they got a few vehicles here. Hawker muffler. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. I finished. Put extra hang on it. So everything should be good, man. Get a difference already just from the startup. Oh yeah. That's how it's supposed to sound, y'all. Oh yeah, way better. This car get up a little bit and try to get y'all that amount of pull. She running. I get some space, I'm gonna cut y'all back home. Tube, I got a little space now, so now I'm just finna hit it. She moving now. Damn good car, bro. Run so good. 305. Listen to the exhaust. This bus is crazy. Playing with the gas in this bitch. Y'all, that's a little fun. I'll turn y'all on when I get back to the hole. I'm gonna try to set y'all up a little bit. Playing manual mode with the gears a little bit. Hopefully my phone don't jump everywhere. It's a red light right now, so just wait. Right. Green light. Y'all can hear good. Rather just flop it. y'all playing the gear. Driving this bit like it's a stick. Sorry about the camera flop, y'all. That manual mode, something different for real. That bit don't shift like that and drive. Get to hold them bitches. That was pretty fun. I'm in the neighborhood now, though, so I'm chill. That bit sounds so good. So jumpy. Pulling up in the driveway now. Pop the hood, get y'all a walk around while it's running. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, here we go. Running good. Still holding up for now. Got grass all on me. Pull it back in. Probably wash it later today. She real dusty. Might insert that in here. So stay tuned. YouTube, what up, what up? Good morning to y'all. Good morning to y'all. It's the next day. You know I said I was gonna wash the car. Well, probably. I think that's what I said. I didn't get around to it yesterday, so I'm gonna start on it now. I got a GoPro hooked to my chest. Try this out. Some new POV footage. See how that work out for me. So yeah, that's the wave for the day. I'm just gonna wash the car, charge my camera, add that to the footage, and then we'll be uploading, bro. I'm finna go ahead, walk to the garage now. Cutting my outside lights off. Take this wrap off my head. You know what I'm saying? What y'all on, bro? What the business is? So yeah, we're in the garage now. I'm gonna clean my garage today too. Cause I still got this oil stuff right here from when I changed the oil on the old school on the last video. So let me go and get situated. And I'm gonna cut y'all Back on, probably be on the camera. I got my chest strap on. I got a head thing too, but I don't know, it's just weird. I thought about getting the metal glasses, but I'm gonna try this out first and see how I like this. Cause the metal glass is kind of high, you hear me? You kind of high, you hear me? So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get back with you. On YouTube. Move my car. I'll wash this car today too. My workhorse. Move my weed eater. Y'all can see how junky my garage is. Tools here, water bottles, oil pans, gas, oil. I'm gonna clean all this up today too. Time for that cold start, baby. Two pumps. Turnkey, baby. Feels so good to have that exhaust fixed. Car sounds so much better. YouTube. This is the essentials. This, tires, this to wash the car. Let's get to it. Start with the grease work. YouTube. It's all clean now. Didn't vacuum the insides or nothing, but the insides appeared alright. So no need of touching up. Just gotta take that cup water bottle out of there. view. Hidden in that sun right here. YouTube, got that done. Made it this far. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so I can keep dropping out these videos, bro. I'm out.